G'day, welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to we've had the Manta 4-inch exhaust on for about 3 months, and I've had a couple of questions over the last few weeks about how it's going, what I think of it, the noise, all that sort of stuff. So I thought I'd do a really quick review on the Manta 4-inch exhaust. So let's talk first of all about how it looks. After 3 months, we've been to the Glassy a few times, we've been on a few road trips, we've been daily driving everywhere. And I've just washed it now, that's why I thought I'd do this now while it was clean, but it's actually come up really good. It's like new still, and it's had a pretty rough first 3 months of its life. So as far as looks go and sustainability, big check there. Performance wise, I think it's going really well too. It's a DPF back exhaust, so it's never going to be earth-shatteringly different, but I think the fuel is probably, the economy's maybe the same, maybe a little bit better. The responsiveness, yeah, look, it's probably a little bit better. It's certainly not something that's going to be a massive jump in performance, but I think it all helps when it's all in the mix. How does it sound? It doesn't drone on the highway. I don't notice the drone anywhere really at all. And the last trip we're on the Glassy, I'll try and see if I can find a clip for here, but we went up this hill, somebody was recording me, and when it's under load going up those muddy banks or on the beach at full noise, it does sound good.
Nice! I didn't just realise I did have the locker on. I have a rear locker on.
Go, keep going!
Go!
Yeah, that's it!
No, keep going!
It's not a pre-DPF sound, but it sounds really good. I'm really happy with it. One thing I don't like so much is sometimes, and it's just sometimes, there is a bolt that comes out of the car that just touches on the exhaust. I don't know if it's when it's hot and the rubbers are a bit loose on the mounting points and they just vibrate that little bit more, but it's not every time. It's just sometimes it just rattles against that metal bolt and you can hear it, and it's not awesome. It's probably an easy fix. I just haven't had a chance to get onto the car and fix it. That's probably my only con, I would say, in the last 3 months. So all in all, would I buy it again? Absolutely. It's great. Value for money. Absolutely. It looks good. It performs good. It's lasting really well. It sounds good. Yes, I would definitely buy it again. So that's all for this week. Thank you very much for watching. Please do remember to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.